Hello friends, welcome to video tutorial. And in this video tutorial I will be discussing how to design graphic user interface for a robot or a drone using Qt and Python. So design GUI, it can act as a trigger for the underlying ROS commands. Instead of running all the commands on the terminal, the user can work with the GUI buttons. So there are various frameworks available to design graphical user interface, namely Qt. It is one of the most popular GUI framework, and GTK Plus, it is also very popular. And you can also design web based GUI to interact with the robot using ROS bridge as a connector between your application and backend system. So I will be concentrating on Qt. Using Qt, I will be discussing how to design graphical user interface. So I will be dividing this tutorial into two parts. In first part, I will discuss how to install Qt on Ubuntu, and I will also explain how to work with the Python bindings and how to install the Python bindings. In the next video tutorial, I will be showing you with simple example of creating a GUI using a Qt. Okay, let's start. So first, I will give you a brief introduction about Qt. So Qt is a cross-platform application framework that is widely used to develop application software with a GUI interface as well as a command line tools. So I will be telling you now how to install Qt using a command. The command is so using this command you can install Qt. So this command will install the entire Qt SDK and its libraries required for our project. The package available on Ubuntu repositories may not be having the latest versions. If you want to install latest versions, you have to install by visiting Qt website. So now I'm skipping this step because already I have installed Qt designer. So next I will show you how to install Python bindings. Here I'm discussing two Python bindings. One is Python Qt and Python side, that is PyQt and Py side. These are the two Python bindings. Python Qt is one of the popular most Python bindings for Qt class platform. So this is the command used to install PyQt on Ubuntu. That is so using this command you can install PQT bindings. So here I'm installing PQT 4 version 4, and again I'm skipping this step because I already have installed this particular binding. So this PyQt is available on Windows, Linux and Mac operating systems. So next I will show you how to install py site. Again is an open source software project that provides Python bindings for the Qt framework. So mainly these two frameworks will be required to design graphical user interface to communicate to interact with a drone or a robot instead of typing commands through terminal. So the command is sorry so this is a command to install pycd py side. So after installing these two packages, we can see how to write a simple hello world GUI using Qt and py side. The main difference between these two is only some commands. Most of the steps are the same. uh, so let's see in next video tutorial how to design a simple GUI using these two bindings. So thank you.